News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Pragya Devra and with me is Abhishek.
Today, we will be discussing about some vacancies in Assam University, Geological Survey of India, Central Groundwater Board, Rajkumari Amrit College of Nursing, National Sugar Institute, KIOCL Limited, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, Election Commission of India, and Lokpal of India.
Online applications are invited from Indian nationals for filling up the following non-teaching positions in Assam University. The following positions are in Group A: 1 post of Registrar, 1 post of Finance Officer, 1 post of Librarian, 1 post of Director, College Development Council, 1 post of Assistant Registrar, 1 post of Hindi Translator in Group B, 2 posts of Multitasking Staff MTS in Group C. Candidates who have already applied against the employment notification dated 1st January 2020 and 28th May 2020 for Group A posts need not apply again for the said posts. Last date for submission of online application form, payment of fees and application form PDF download is 30th October 2020 up to 5 p.m. Last date for submission of downloaded application form along with the enclosures is 6th November 2020 up to 5 p.m. Detailed eligibility criteria, pay matrix, general instructions as well as other details like mode of submission of forms and fees etc. can be seen and downloaded from Assam University website www.aus.ac.in.
Union Public Service Commission will hold the Combined Geoscientist Stage 1 Examination 2021 on 21st February 2021 for recruitment to the posts of Chemist Group A in the Geological Survey of India and Scientist B Hydrogeology Group A, Scientist B Geophysics Group A and Scientist B Chemical Group A in the Central Groundwater Board. The Stage 2 of the Combined Geoscientist Examination 2021 will be held on 17th and 18th July 2021. The examination will be held at various centers across the country. Candidates are required to apply online at www.upsconline.nic.in only. No other mode is allowed for submission of application. For details regarding eligibility conditions, the syllabus and scheme of the examination, centers of examination, guidelines for filling up application forms, etc., aspirants must refer to the detailed notice of the examination which is available on the Commission's website www.upsc.gov.in from 7th October 2020.
With reference to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's vacancy circular in Employment News dated 4th to 10th July 2020, inviting applications for the post of Professor cum Vice Principal at Rajkumari Amrit College of Nursing, New Delhi, on deputation, including short-term contract basis, it is hereby informed that the last date for applying to the said post has been extended. Applications of willing and eligible candidates may now be forwarded to the concerned authority latest by 31st October 2020. Other criteria and details would remain the same.
KIOCL Limited invites application for 1 post of JGM Finance or DGM Finance on contract basis. For details, visit website www.kioclltd.in. Applications to be submitted online only. The last date for submission of online application is 31st October 2020. Corrigendum, if any, would be published on their website only.
Applications are invited from eligible officers for filling up 1 vacant post of Assistant Professor, Physical Chemistry at National Sugar Institute, Kanpur, a subordinate office in the Department of Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, by composite method, promotion or deputation, including short-term contract. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, etc. may be accessed from the department's website www.dfpd.nic.in. Applications of suitable and eligible officers and who can be spared immediately in the event of selection may be sent directly to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News.
Serious Fraud Investigation Office proposes to fill up the following vacancies on deputation, including short-term contract basis. Category of post, Private Secretary. Tentative number of vacancies, 8. Interested and willing government employees may forward their application, complete in all respects, through proper channel in the prescribed format to the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For details, etc., visit www.sfio.nic.in or www.mca.gov.in.
Now, we will discuss about vacancies in the Election Commission of India. But before that, let's find out about Election Commission of India.
India is a socialist, secular, democratic republic and the largest democracy in the world. The modern Indian nation-state came into existence on 15th of August 1947. Since then, free and fair elections have been held at regular intervals as per the principles enshrined in the Constitution, electoral laws and system. The Constitution of India has vested in the Election Commission of India the superintendence, direction and control of the entire process for conduct of elections to the Parliament and Legislature of every state and to the offices of President and the Vice President of India. Election Commission of India is a permanent constitutional body. The Election Commission was established in accordance with the Constitution on 25th January 1950. The Commission celebrated its Golden Jubilee in 2001.
And now, the vacancies. Election Commission of India proposes to obtain the services of 8 assistant section officers, which may increase or decrease on deputation basis from officers under the central government. Eligible and interested persons and whose services can be spared immediately by their parent office may apply through proper channel in the prescribed format to the concerned authority latest by 29th October 2020. Selection will be based on qualifying in the interview or personal talk conducted by the Commission. The candidates selected will not be allowed to withdraw their candidature subsequently. The vacancies are not final and may change as per the need and requirement of the organization.
Lokpal of India is going to fill up 2 posts of Court Master and 3 posts of Court Steno or Assistant Registrar on deputation or transfer basis from eligible candidates working in ministries or departments of central government and autonomous constitutional organizations or tribunals following central government rules, norms, procedures, pay scales, etc. Details of eligibility criteria of advertisement may be seen at the website of the Lokpal of India, that is www.lokpal.gov.in.
Information about these vacancies has been published in the Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday.
And with this we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com.